If you're seeing this, it's not an accident. Your manifestation breakthrough has already started, and this is your confirmation. You've been holding the vision, even when reality looked like it was laughing at you. You've doubted yourself, tried to let it go, and still, something in you refuses to stop believing. That something is not random. It's the proof that your shift already began. Let me explain what's really happening right now, because once you understand it, everything's going to move faster. Most people think manifestation works like ordering food. You place your order, you wait, then it shows up at your door, clean and simple. But that's not how energy works. That's not how reality shifts. Manifestation happens in stages, and the most important stage is completely invisible. What you're feeling right now is the lag between the quantum field and physical reality. The shift happens in the field first, in your state of being, in your assumptions, in your nervous system. Physical reality is just catching up to the frequency you're already broadcasting. Behind the scenes, everything is realigning. People are thinking about you. Conversations are being had. Opportunities are forming with your name on them. They just haven't reached your physical reality yet. This is the stage that tests people the most, because nothing looks different. You check your bank account, and the number hasn't changed. You look at your situation and it appears exactly the same. You wonder if you're delusional for believing anything will ever be different. But beneath the surface, everything is moving. Everything is shifting into position. The pieces are coming together in ways you cannot possibly track with your physical senses. And here's how you know you're in this stage right now. You're exhausted from hoping. You're tired of trying to stay positive. You've almost convinced yourself to give up, except something won't let you. Some quiet voice keeps whispering that it's coming, even though you have zero proof. That voice is not lying to you. That voice is connected to the field of infinite potential, and it knows what you can't see yet. You've been waiting for what feels like forever. You set your intention weeks ago, maybe months ago, maybe longer. And since then you've been doing everything you're supposed to do. Visualizing every morning, affirming throughout the day, letting go of attachment, raising your vibration. But nothing happened. Or worse, things got harder. More obstacles appeared. More delays piled up. More reasons to believe it's never going to work showed up at your door. This is where most people quit. They decide manifestation is nonsense. They go back to settling for less. They convince themselves they weren't meant to have what they wanted. But you didn't quit. You're still here. And that persistence is about to pay off in ways that will stun you. Here's what was really happening during all that waiting. You were being tested. Not by some cruel universe that enjoys watching you suffer, but by your own subconscious mind. Your subconscious needed to know if you really believed it. If you were serious this time. If you'd actually become the person who could hold what you're asking for. Because here's the truth nobody talks about. The universe doesn't give you what you want. It gives you what you are. And if who you are doesn't match what you're asking for, nothing can arrive. It would slip through your fingers even if it showed up tomorrow. So you've been in a transformation period. Becoming someone new. Shedding old beliefs. Releasing patterns that kept you small. Learning to trust yourself in ways you never had to before. That process is complete. You've passed the test. You just don't know it yet, because the confirmation hasn't arrived in physical form. But it's on its way, faster than you think. There are specific signals that show up when your manifestation has moved from the invisible stage into the visible stage. You've probably been noticing some of these without realizing what they mean. First, synchronicities are increasing. You think of someone, and they text you an hour later. You need information, and it appears in the next video you watch. Numbers repeat themselves. Songs carry messages that feel like they're speaking directly to you. These aren't coincidences. These are confirmation signals. The universe showing you that you're in alignment, that you're on the right frequency, that what you've been calling toward is responding. Second, old connections are resurfacing. People from your past are reaching out. Conversations are happening that feel strangely significant. Doors you forgot you knocked on are suddenly opening. This is the reorganization becoming visible. The pieces clicking into place. Third, you're feeling different. Calmer, maybe. Or suddenly restless. Like you need to take action but you're not sure what action to take. There's an energy moving through you that wasn't there before. An anticipation. A readiness. That inner shift is the most reliable sign. Because manifestation always happens inside first, outside second. And if your internal state has changed, your external reality has no choice but to follow. Fourth, resistance is showing up hard. Doubt is louder than ever. Fear is trying to convince you that you're crazy for believing. Old patterns are making one last attempt to pull you back into who you used to be. This isn't a bad sign. This is actually the best sign. Because resistance only fights this hard when something real is about to happen, when you're actually about to break through. It's the final defense mechanism, before transformation becomes permanent. If you're experiencing any of these signs, your breakthrough isn't coming, it's already here. You're just in the gap between the shift happening internally and the evidence showing up externally. And that gap is closing, fast. This is the part where I'm supposed to give you a complicated ritual, or a 7-step process, or some secret technique that will finally make everything happen. But I'm not going to do that, because you don't need any of that. You've already done the work. You've already put in the time. You've already become who you needed to become. What you need to do right now is simple. Stop trying to control it. Stop checking for evidence every 5 minutes. Stop analyzing whether it's working. Stop looking for proof that you're on the right track. Just live. Just breathe. Just be the person who already has what you've been asking for. Not in some fake-it-till-you-make-it way where you're pretending and hoping nobody notices, but in a real, grounded, embodied way, where you actually feel it in your bones, where you move through your day with the quiet confidence of someone who knows something good is about to happen. That state of being, that frequency, is the final ingredient, and once you step fully into it, once you stop waiting and start living as if it's already done, the physical evidence rushes in to match. Your mind will tell you that's too simple. It wants something more complicated. Something that feels like effort. Something you can point to and say, I did that and therefore it worked. But manifestation doesn't work through force. It works through alignment. And you're already aligned. You just need to relax into it. You might be frustrated about how long this has taken. You might feel like you're behind schedule. Like you should have manifested this months ago. Like everyone else is getting their desires faster than you. But what if the timing is actually perfect? What if everything had to happen exactly when it did? So that when your manifestation arrives, you're truly ready to receive it and keep it. Think about who you were 6 months ago. Think about what you believed was possible. Think about the fears you were carrying, the doubts that ran your decisions, the version of yourself that was still playing small. That version of you couldn't have held what's coming. You would have self-sabotaged. You would have pushed it away. You would have proven to yourself that you weren't worthy of it after all. But you're different now. You've grown. You've expanded. You've done the internal work that most people avoid their entire lives. And now finally, you match the frequency of what you've been calling in. Now there's nothing blocking it. Now it can arrive and stay. The delay wasn't punishment. It was preparation. And the preparation is complete. So from this moment on, stop asking when will it happen. Start asking who am I now that it's already mine. Because that's who you've become. And now reality is simply rearranging itself to reflect the version of you that's watching this right now. In the coming days and weeks, you're going to start seeing movement. Small things at first, little confirmations, unexpected messages, opportunities that don't fully make sense yet, but feel important in your body. Don't dismiss these. Don't wait only for the big dramatic moment. These small movements are your breakthrough beginning to take physical form. They're the first drops of rain before the downpour. Pay attention, stay present, notice what's shifting, and most importantly, act when you feel the pull to act, not from desperation or force, but from alignment, from that quiet inner knowing that says, this is part of it. Your manifestation is assembling itself piece by piece. Some pieces will be obvious. Some will only make sense in hindsight. On the quantum level, the pattern is already complete. Reality is just updating, moment by moment to match the frequency you've stabilized within yourself. Trust the process. Trust the timing. Trust that everything is unfolding exactly as it needs to. And when the big moment arrives, when you're standing in the middle of what you've been visualizing for so long, you'll look back at this exact moment. You'll remember watching this video. You'll remember the feeling you have right now. And you'll realize this was the turning point. This was when you finally stopped doubting and started knowing. This was when the breakthrough moved from invisible to inevitable. From this moment forward, you have one job: receive, not chase, not force, not manipulate, just receive. Stay open, stay expectant, stay in the energy of someone who knows something amazing is already unfolding. Let go of the how, the when, and the through what channel. Those details aren't your responsibility. Your responsibility is your frequency. To keep being the version of yourself that matches what you desire. To live from the end, as they say. To embody the reality you're creating before it fully materializes. And when doubt creeps in, when fear whispers that it's not working, When impatience tries to convince you to give up, come back to this truth. Your manifestation breakthrough has already started. The evidence is on its way. Everything is moving in your favor, even when it doesn't look like it. This is your confirmation. This is your sign. This is the universe, and the quantum field reflecting back to you what you already know deep down. It's happening. It's real. It's coming. And you are ready for it. If this resonated with you, if something inside you recognized the truth here, go to the comments and type 3 simple words. I am ready. Not as a wish, not as a hope, but as a declaration, as a statement of fact. Because you are ready. You've always been ready. You just needed permission to believe it. Your breakthrough is here. Welcome it, receive it, and get ready for everything to change.